I welcome you all with my love and respects. Let me enter into today's subject. Today's subject is balance your body through samyama. Balance your body through samyama. Today's sutra is 138th sutra in Patanjali's Yoga Sutras and 3rd chapter, 32nd verse. Let me enter into the sutra. Kurmanadyam stairyam. Translation. Swami Vivekananda translates this sutra as, on the nerve called kurma, fixity of the body. Swami Prabhavananda translates as, by making samyama on the tube within the chest, one acquires absolute motionlessness. Swami Sachidananda translates as, by performing samyama on the kurmanadi, a subtle tortoise-shaped tube located below the throat, motionlessness in the meditative posture is achieved. Bhagavan Osho translates as, by performing samyama on the nerve called kurmanadi, the yogi is able to be completely motionless. Today we are going to completely enter into a different samyama. No movement. I can say this is the most difficult samyama, most powerful samyama than jumping around, hopping around and flying all over the world. Please understand, this is the most powerful samyama. By nature, your body and mind moves. But consciousness is always achala, doesn't move. It is established in the stability. So your body and mind falling in tune with the achala is more difficult and more important, more powerful for your enlightenment than movements. Understand? Kurmanadi is in your system, just below the throat, almost little above the heart center. It is not Anahata Chakra, little above the heart center, Anahata Chakra. This is the area, little above the Anahata Chakra, the Kurmanadi. The entrance for Kurmanadi is in both hands. See, this is also called Kurmanadi. I can say this is the entrance, controlling point for Kurmanadi. But the source of Kurmanadi itself is in this area. It is like a tortoise-shaped tube which is inside. These are yogic definitions. I don't think anatomically there is a tortoise inside. No. There is a tortoise-shaped energy center just above the Anahata, below the Vishuddhi, above the Anahata. Just like a below the Anahata, above the Manipura, Anandagandha is there. Same way, just above the Anahata, below the Vishuddhi, in this area, the Kurma Nadi is there. Anandagandha is also a Nadi only. It is not a chakra actually. Nadi is more subtle than chakra. Contemplating or meditating, doing samyama on the Nadi is more difficult than chakra. Samyama on chakras is a lot more easy. But Samyama on the nadis is very subtle. You need to be visualizing it, and you need to be intensely doing the Samyama. Force is different, power is different. Through levitation, you experience force. Through this Samyama, you will experience power. Nobody will be able to move you. Just your body will be so strong and stable. This is another one kind of a siddhi. Hanuman had this siddhi. Meenakshi achieved this siddhi when she first had the darshan of Chokkanada, Shiva. If you read the Meenakshi story, it says very clearly, she had a third breast, and when she was born out of fire, Agni, she had a third breast. The father and mother worried and asked Shiva. Shiva said, don't worry, when she sees her would-be, that will disappear. It's a mystical story. She was experiencing force, means she can destroy any army. She can do anything in the outer world. She was expressing force, but she was missing one dimension of power for her enlightenment. Her enlightenment was not yet complete. She was a great successful personality in the outer world, but her completion has not yet happened. Only when you experience power, you are complete, not just force. Force moves, power makes you stable. When she gets the darshan of Chokkanada in Kailash, Mahadeva, Shiva, the moment she sees the Shiva's Nayana Diksha, her Kurma Nadi gets awakened. And she experiences power, the stability, and enlightenment happens in her. She decides to stop fighting. Otherwise, person like Meenakshi, she went to Kailash all the way just to conquer, but the moment Kurmanadi is awakened, she realizes the power of stability. The power of stability. Shiva is there like Achala, Kailasha. Not only the Achala, he himself is an Achala. Immovable. I can tell you, I myself live in this siddhi only. I can sit without moving the body for hours. Easily 10 hours I can sit without moving the body. I don't need to move the body at all or adjust. Shiva is so stable, powerful. Just by his stability, he expresses his power. Naturally, by his Nayana Diksha, the Kurma Nadi of Meenakshi awakens. When the Kurma Nadi of Meenakshi is awakened, she experiences intense power of stability. She becomes enlightened. Her enlightenment is completed. The other dimension was added to her life. Then Shiva marries Parvati, Meenakshi. You know the story further. Hanuman had this siddhi. Once he was sitting, Bhima was traveling when Hanuman was sitting. So Bhima said to the Hanuman, please move, don't sit on the path, I have to walk. Hanuman says, I am an old monkey, Please, you yourself move my body and go. Bhima tried his best, nothing could be done. He could not move. Even Hanuman's tail. It's a very powerful samyama. I can tell you, directly this will work on you in one session. Understand, from today, I am going to give series of samyama. Please understand. Every day, the sacred secret in the samyamas I will reveal. Every day, one samyama. We have to complete it so that we can start Brahma Sutras again. And very clean, straight instructions. I am not going to waste much time. In introduction, straight away giving instruction about the samyama and making you do it. So from today, it will be samyama series. And Patanjali is taking us to deeper and deeper layers of samyamas. Understand, suddenly you will see, today the whole energy will change. There will not be any body movement. Today samyama you will see. Just one small instruction change. So all the people who never used to levitate, now will experience this samyama. Because this will be very successful for the people who never levitated. See, your biomemory setup is for this samyama. And nobody will be able to move you. And you will experience such a strong stability and power. You will experience deepest possible space in the higher consciousness. Let me describe the samyama exactly. See very clearly, just above the heart center, in the center, tortoise-shaped energy center, light, powerful energy center exists. Tortoise-shaped energy center. Visualize that and do samyama on it. Suddenly you will see very thought flow stops. You will feel like your whole body has become like a stone. It has become like a stone. Even if you visualize yourself as become like a stone, only in that place you will not be able to feel you have become stone. Like there is no movement. In that place you will always feel there will be movement. Now, visualize that Kurma Nadi, energy center, just little above the heart, as a light, and sit like a huge rock. Sit like a huge mountain. Visualize you are stable and powerful like a mountain. Enter into this samyama. Sit in Padmasana. You can hold both the feet through the Koyoni Mudra. Koyoni Mudra means just like this. The hand, you can cross it. Hold the legs in a crossed way. Hold. Sit stably. Feel you are a solid rock, huge mountain, no movement. Visualize the Kurma Nadi, small tortoise-shaped, intense light just above the heart center. Feel you are like a stone, huge mountain. Continue on this samyama today whole day. I'll start speaking on every day one on samyama. From tomorrow I am going to bring little bit of Hatha Yoga also into samyamas. Hatha Yoga sutras which helps you in your samyamas. I am not only going to speak on Patanjali's sutra, I am going to collect more material on that samyama which Patanjali describes from other sutras also. And from tomorrow onwards it will not be just Patanjali sutra centered, it will be samyama centered. So from tomorrow we will have a special samyama series. You can use tulsi beads, mala, which can touch exactly on the Kurma Nadi to bring awareness to the Kurma Nadi, or green beads, the green gems, maragada, also can be used to awaken the Kurma Nadi. Today try this Kurma Nadi samyama, especially if you are not levitating. This samyama will straight away click with you, because your bioenergy is for this samyama. This samyama is for you. It will click with you, you will experience. I bless you all to achieve, experience, live, express, radiate and share the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Putting all my trust in you.